So hey guys, I made a video called A Decade of Brutally Honest Trading Advice in 5 Minutes. So I thought, let me go see what the comments say. And as I zoom down here, got a gentleman that says anyone can tell you how to trade, but no one can guide you their secret strategies. Guess what? There is no secret strategy. Let me explain. When someone says secret strategy, I'm going to ask you, what do you mean by strategy? What does a strategy look like to you? Now, the reason why I asked that question is, over the years, I have come to understand one thing. Let me go to the charts to make a new example, right? Bit of coaching there, okay? Now, I go to my charts, and let's say we go to the S&P 500, and we just go to higher time frame daily, and let's go to the S&P 500, right? If I asked you a question, where do you think the S&P 500 is going next? Well, what I would like you to say to me is, what do you mean? For tomorrow? For next week? For next month? For the next half of the year? For next year? For the next 2 years? Because that's a very broad question, isn't it? Where's the market going? But hey, let me tell you a secret strategy that can make you understand, or that can make you understand where it's going. And guess what that's called? It's called analysis and research. First of all, the secret is you need to understand what you're trading. Top 500 companies in the US. Okay, what affects them? What will make them grow? What will make them weaken? Essentially, it's the US economy. Right. So how do you know if the US economy is going to grow? Do you think that Donald Trump makes his decision by looking at the US 500 chart? No. And there isn't no secret indicator that he looks like. He has a vision for the economy, and you need to learn to understand how that is going to affect this asset. The secret is the market moves forward, and you need to understand what influences it. Now, when you think of strategies, you're thinking of technical analysis. And technical analysis uses past data to speculate forward. Now, if the price is going to keep going higher, any technical strategy should work. In theory, the only reason it could fail is because you get in them too early, or you get in too late, or your stop loss is too tight, and other various things. But if the direction is to be a buyer, for example, if I say right now, buy the S&P 500 all the way to this price here, in your experience to the user that said they can't tell you their secret strategy, how many ways could you enter and exit in that direction? And even if you're not that user, you yourself watching this, how many ways do you think you can enter and exit in that direction? Every single way that every single person on YouTube or social media, it will work. Think about it. Because you need direction. And the only way you get better at direction is understanding how to be a better analyst. And how to be a better analyst isn't just purely technical analysis. And yes, you can just be a purely technical analyst trader, and that's absolutely fine. But if you want to have that little bit more edge, then you need to look at other horizons. So actually, there you go. There's your secret strategy. What are those other horizons? I look forward to your comment. Bye-bye.